Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2013 330D M Sport XDRIVE Saloon. The vehicle is presented in SDRIVE blue, features the Y&C body enhancement kit alongside some sought after features and options. You'll also see it is displaying and will come with the Northern Irish registration. You can see there. A great little added bonus of that is, of course, it effectively acts like a personal registration for the car with no drawbacks whatsoever to the vehicle. As you can see down the side, it's a very nice, clean and tidy example for a 2013 Year 3 series. The alloy wheels are the 19-inch 403M alloy wheels, which we've had freshly refinished in high gloss black. They've got the Bridgestone Potenza RFT tyres. Also down the side of the car, you'll see it comes with the satin side vinyls and Y&C M Performance decals and the genuine BMW accessory mud flaps. Very ideal for a car that is, of course, four-wheel drive. Not only that, but of course it just stop the side of the car getting that little bit dirty. It will help prevent that in the long run. So of course, nice little added bonus of the car coming with those. Rear sun protection glazing for you. Inside, it comes with the Dakota leather option in black, heated front seats, 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is of course going to work lovely with the 3-litre diesel, and of course the XDRIVE four-wheel drive system. In terms of the rear seat arrangement, it is a full 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest, which once again has been looked after very well indeed. If we go around towards the back of the vehicle, again, you'll see that it has got the gloss black rear boot spoiler and the matching rear diffuser. The tailpipes has been switched out for stainless twin pipes, but again, it is just the tailpipes on the car, but again, it does just smarten the rear of the car up very nicely. Boot space, again, very impressive for the 3 Series Saloon. As you can see in there, this one fortunately has been also equipped with the split folding seat option. So again, that's just going to give you that little bit more space when and where it be required. And again, down on the driver's side, you should be able to see that everything's looking really nice and neat and tidy. Bearing in mind the age and the mileage of this car. If we just drop that seat down then, as you can see, should you require it, that's going to be really useful, especially on a saloon car. And we'll go on and take a quick seat inside. In here, we've got the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, where you'll find the cruise control, voice and volume functions all laid out nicely, as well as the pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Covered just over 77,000 miles, which is pretty much bang on average, if not a little bit below average mileage for a 330D of this year. But again, very good mileage. In terms of system up here, we've got Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, and then you'll find USB, AUX and a front CD slot. In terms of the servicing, now the servicing is very impressive on this car. It's not due one for 15,000 miles, and service history wise, as you can see, that's the first service and it continues all the way on to the most recent service, which is at 71428, which is for an engine oil service, vehicle check, and the fuel filter was also changed at the same time, probably due to the vehicle check. It was noted and required to be changed at that interval. So again, nice to see that on there. The car's been looked after with BMW. Really nice example of the very practical, very sought after 3-litre diesel 3 Series with the superb XDRIVE four-wheel drive. If of course you'd like to know anything more about the vehicle, including prices, funding options or anything further, down below in the description box, there are 2 links available for you to check out. The top one will take you over to our website, which you can see just there on the big screen. That's where you'll find this vehicle. And of course, you can get in touch directly should you want to give us a call. I'll also leave that link below. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care. Bye-bye.